Okay, so I am going to show you how to create a culture camp team. The first step is to hit join or create team up here on the right. I'm going to hit create team here. And for the purposes of this team, we are going to use the class option. And I am going to name it Idea Ingram Hills 2nd Grade Culture Camp. I'll hit next. And before we add students, you could add teachers who you want to access. And then I add them, and I'll hit close. So now that we have created the team, in order to add the homerooms, I will go over here to this little bar where it says more options and add channel. So this is where we are adding the homerooms. First, I will type in Bowden homeroom. And here's a description to help people find this homeroom. So I'll just say this is Miss Bowden's homeroom. Now in the channel name it doesn't allow you to put hyphens or apostrophes, and that's why I couldn't put Bowden's homeroom. The last step is I'm going to hit automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list. That way it'll be more accessible for families and scholars to see. So I'm going to click that and add. So now in this team, which is really like a whole classroom, we have a homeroom. So this is a classroom within a whole classroom, or like a school here. And then I could add another homeroom. So let me add Koi homeroom. This is Miss Koi's homeroom class. Now, if we wanted this to be accessible only to the scholars in that homeroom to see, we would hit private and have to invite those scholars. For now, I'm just going to have it accessible. Okay, so now we have 2 homerooms, and to change the little icon here, I'm just going to hit change team picture. You have these choices here. I'm going to upload Rolly, so I'm going to hit upload. And then I saved on my desktop a nice picture of Rolly here, so I'm going to hit open and update.